This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add an eSIM to your Google Pixel phone. So just go to the top right and go to settings and swipe down. Then let's go to network and internet right here. Then at the top you can see your SIMs. And we can just go to SIMs right there. So I'm going to tap it. Now you can see there's an option for eSIM right here. Just hit it. Then you're going to see this screen right here, connect to a mobile network. Just go to set up an eSIM, and it's checking your network information, and it's going to give you a small QR code to go ahead and scan with whatever eSIM package you got. You just have to use this camera now on here and just go over it and scan it. Now you might have it on your phone or something like that. It's just scanned from a photo. We can just tap this as well, and you should be able to scan it from there and just choose the correct photo. Now once you have the scan, it should be added to your phone and your network information should be updated and saved. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.